Hey guys, Andrethefarmer here, and I've had a lot of people ask me about banana flowers. So today we're gonna cook a banana flower. So these are sort of very commonly eaten throughout the world. Here in America, a lot of people don't eat them, but all you wanna do is basically peel off these, which are basically modified leaves, to get the florets. And under each leaf, we should find a new set of florets. And they come off rather easily. We're gonna put them in water so that they don't turn brown. And then I'm gonna show you guys how we clean each one of those. So now we've got our florets and it's time to clean them. So basically we wanna open it up. We wanna take out the flowery, I guess the stamen, the middle part, and just the hard part at the end. And that's a clean flower ready to eat. All of our flowers all cleaned up. We've got it soaking in a little bit of salt water. And we're just gonna take it and we're gonna put it in this bag of seasoning and we're gonna shake it around in there and we're gonna fry them up. Alrighty. All right, guys, the moment of truth. Let's try our crispy banana flowers. Tell them what they taste like. I don't know how to describe it. They kind of taste like chips, but they taste good. Very good. All right, see you guys.